Hello student, welcome to my class. Today my topic is conjunctions and determiners. And after that I will complete the next chapter also. So today's topic is chapter 9 and 10. So let's see what is given in chapter 9, conjunctions. So dear students, you know there are different types of conjunctions. What is the function of the conjunctions? Conjunctions are used to make complex sentence or compound sentences when two clauses or two sentences join together to make a single sense or single meaning. Sometimes a single sentence they are converted. So this is known as conjunctions. Conjunctions especially of different types like coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlating conjunctions, and you will get all these varieties in the grammar books like and, but, does, and, but, as well as with, together with, along with, for, therefore, so, either or, neither not only but also. In this way, subordinating conjunction you will get like if, unless, until, even, though, although, when, where, who, how, as well as you can get the different conjunctions like than, so that, if is there, and there are more conjunction like correlating conjunctions you will get like no sooner than, hardly when, whether or. So these conjunctions are connecting two sentences to make single one. And you know there are different types of determiners also. Determiners are parts of the grammar and where you get different varieties of the grammar in determiners, like you will get articles, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers and number. In the determiners you will get articles. You know very well that there are three types of article like a and the. A and the. A and the is used basically for the proper noun. Sometimes from converting common to proper, the is used. A is used generally for the consonant sound, and an is used for vowel sound. Here different types of demonstratives are there in determiners like this, that, these and those. You have used these examples in your sentences. Now the possessives, you have read about the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. I am talking about these possessives like my, his, her, its. All these are the possessives and many more are there. Quantifiers, those words are depicting about the quantities like little, a little, the little, few, a few, much, more, many. These are the quantifiers. And number, generally you know simple numbers are there like 1, 2. All these are the number category. Now let us practice this exercise that is given in chapter 9. First of all, fill in the blanks with the most appropriate conjunctions. Question number 1. Dash, I was passing her office, I heard a loud scream. So here suitable word is as. As I was passing. As I was passing. As I was passing her office, I heard a loud scream. Next question. The principal dash the staff encouraged the hockey players. Here options are there, but, as well as soon as, nor. Here you can see B option, as well as. The principal as well as the staff. Here as well as is the correct option for it. I don't know whether he appeared for the test dash not. So whether is combined with or. Whether, I don't know whether he appeared for the test or not. So it is combined with or. Dash you practice hard, you can't win the boxing title. So here I think in the question number 4, most appropriate should be C, like unless. Unless means if not. Unless you practice hard, you can't win the boxing title. Next question number 5. Raju realizes not only Chinese releases, not only Chinese dash continental food. Raju releases not only Chinese dash, not only is combined with but also. Here it is given. Even dash he said that I am sure he did not intend to hurt your feelings. Even is combined with if. That you should keep in mind. No sooner did, question number 7. No sooner did the mariner, said the sailors. So no sooner is combined with than. Here you will get the option than in option A. Like here, no sooner is combined with than. Sorry. Here this option is given in option B. No sooner than, THAN. Hardly had the child seen the mother. Hardly is combined with when, WHEN. So when is the answer? Hardly had the child seen the mother when he came running towards her. We must help our friends dash they are in trouble. Question number 9. Here it is when. Ria did not pass her exam. Dash did hers. As or as well as nor. So question number 10, what will be the answer here? Nor. Sometimes nor, not is combined with nor, neither is combined with nor in this way. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate determiners. So determiners I was talking about article, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers and numbers. So from there only some options are given and you have to choose the right one. In dash countries, medical treatment is free of cost. In a lot of, whole, many or none of these. Question number 11. In many countries. Only simple answer you can choose. Dash people think that modernization is another name of development. A lot of, a little, none of this. A lot of. This is one type of phrase is given. Question number 13. Dash people turned up means came for the concert last night because of the heavy rain. 13 number. Few people turned up means number of presence is very small amount. That was depicted here. Now I will go to the next page. Question number 14 you can see. You must learn dash English every day to improve it. Few, a few, a little, a lot of, none of this. B number, a little English. Little amount of English you should learn every day. Dash plates and glasses are usually broken in party. Any, a little, some, none of these. 15. Some is the correct answer. There isn't dash bread in the refrigerator. I think A number is very close to answer. Any. When negative not is given, sometimes any is also added. For not only, any is added. Dash cloud has silver lining. Dash cloud has silver lining. Every whole, less and some. Which is the answer? 17 number. It is A. Every cloud has a silver lining. I have dash friends in London. Each, a few, much or whole. 18 number. It is B. A few friends. Dash knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little. This is the correct answer. A little. 20 number. Dash man's meat is dash man's poison. 20 number question you can see B number. One man's meat is another man's poison. Next question, choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. 21 number. Everybody tried to convince Moni that she stood firm with her decision. Here 21 number, it is a B, but when one positive statement, when negative statement is there, that time your answer should be but. 22 number. Dash you do anything else, show me your report card. 22 number. Before you do anything else. 23. Sumita ran dash the devil was chasing her. 23 number. 23 number, it is D option. As if Sunita ran as if the devil was chasing her. 24. Dash hands make light work. Many. Countable is taking many only. Much is for uncountable. Few is for countable. 25. Dash Bina's friend speaks Tamil. 25. Neither of. In this way, we have solved this page. Now the next chapter. Jumbling words are given. Actually, here you have to read every word, and jumble words are given. Arrange the jumble words appropriately to form a meaningful sentence. So first of all, you have to arrange these words to make a meaningful sentences. So here the topic is jumble word. You will not get easy arrangement sometimes. So you have the accessed or rearranged words in the options, and suitable option you have to choose from it. Like, let's read for the first one. Our body, carbohydrates and vitamins, proteins necessary for fats are. Here, which option is very appropriate for the answer? Whether it is option A or B, C or D. Protein, vitamin, carbohydrate and fats are necessary for our body. Proteins and carbohydrate, fats, vitamin. So B is not coming as the answer. C, let's read. Necessary for our body. So C is also not coming in the answer. Protein, fats, carbohydrate are. So when you read these options, see some disturbs are there. When some disturbs are there in the arrangement of the sentences, don't take this as the answer. So I am taking here only A as the proper arrangement. It is the correct answer. Let's read about question number 2. Means of fats the body provide strong energy, A bad. Let's read this statement A to D, which one is correct. Fats provide the body a bad means of strong energy. Fats provide a bad means of strong energy. The body, B statement is wrong. The body fats provide a bad means of strong energy. C is also not coming as the correct answer. A bad means of strong energy provide the body fats. So D is also wrong answer. Here correct answer is A. Let's read about the question number 3. A lot of a lot receive phone on you do your message. Which option you think is the correct? So here from you have to read. After reading A and B, you have to go this right hand side. Like on a lot messages you do your receive of phone. Do you receive a lot of messages on your phone? A lot of phone messages you receive do on. So here after reading A and C, I don't like. D number, do your message on your phone receive a lot of. Here according to me B is the correct statement. Proper arrangement, punctuation is given. Question number 4. Saturday Ria since unwell been has. So let's arrange for it. Has been Ria Saturday unwell since. Ria unwell has been Saturday since. Ria has been unwell since Saturday. So this is one correct. C number. Question number 5. Problems while reading face you can many. You problems can face many reading while. You can face many problems while reading. While face reading you many problem. Many can problems. Many while problems. So after reading B is the correct answer, I think. In this way, let us solve the 6 number. Dictionary you should for words consult difficult. You should consult dictionary for difficult words. For difficult dictionary, this is not coming. B number. Consult difficult word. This is also not answer. Difficult should. D is also not answer. Here A is the correct answer. So here students, after reading this statement, you obviously come to know that this is the correct answer. Already your solution answer is given. You have to choose the correct one. Question number 7. Important it is to ease rules, observe traffic. It is important to observe traffic rules. Observe traffic rules. It is important. Traffic observe rules. Is it important to? So it is important to observe traffic rules. Here A is the answer. In this way we have solved up to question number 7. So don't get so much worried about these things, because answer is already given and you have to solve the little portion. Only read this statement very carefully and try to solve this. Like 20 number question, look at this. Monsoon rain, much had this not have we. So here what will be the answer? We had not much have this monsoon rain. We have not had much rain this monsoon. This monsoon rain we have had much not. Monsoon this rain we have not had much. So B is the correct answer after reading. So when you will get some anomalous words or defective sentences, don't take it for the answers. Genuine sentence you take for the answers. In this way, your answer will be solved easily and your jumble word will be all correct. So I hope best for your examination in the Olympiad, English Olympiad. In my next video I will come with some more new topics, new chapters. Till then, goodbye to all of you.